Hi, my name is Ray Ellersick. I'm from San Jose, and I chose Ways Remodeling to remodel my kitchen. I'm really happy with the results here. So lots of new stuff. Tom came here to give me an initial estimate, well, an initial appraisal, and some advice on what we needed to do. And I was really pleased with his enthusiasm and also his to be very knowledgeable. So I was when I first met Tom, after I'd spoken with a couple of other groups, I thought that he was giving me the most honest and direct and helpful advice. So that's why I chose them. Yeah, I was very impressed with the work crew. They were very professional. They were here early. They put in a lot of hours. They were really good with my dog. They were very happy to play with my dog and keep him occupied. And he was very happy to see them whenever they came. I really liked the way that I was able to communicate with Tom, especially through the Builder Trend app. It was, laid everything out very neatly. I knew what to expect, and I was able to raise any issues directly and get immediate feedback. So I was very happy with the communications. I definitely recommend Waves for anyone else who has another job done. I've actually already recommended them to a couple of people I know. And Tom was just such a delight to work with that I would definitely have him call him and have him do the work for him, because he was, like I said, very knowledgeable, very responsive, and he gave a lot of good advice. So I really enjoyed the process, and I think any of my friends who were going to do a similar thing, they would really enjoy working with them as well.